Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making access easy. Fold the seat back and slide it forward so you can reach the armrest base. Use a cloth to protect trim and keep a small container for fasteners. You will need a Torx T20 and a flat pry tool. First, inspect the armrest hinge area and lift the small plastic cover with your pry tool. This exposes the retaining screw. Once you see the screw, turn it counterclockwise just until the armrest loosens. Don't remove other parts yet. With the exposed screw removed, support the armrest with one hand so it doesn't pivot and damage trim. Next, locate hinge pins or plastic clips at the base. Depress the clip tabs and slide pins out carefully. If pins are tight, wiggle slightly to avoid breaking plastic. If your model has electrical connectors for heating or lights, press the release tab and unplug them now. Once unplugged and pins removed, lift the armrest straight up and off the mounting plate to free it completely. To reinstall, align the hinge pins and seat the armrest squarely on the mount. Reconnect any wiring before closing. Hand tighten the Torx screws first to ensure correct alignment, then test opening, closing, and electrical functions. Once everything moves freely and functions correctly, Torx screws snugly. Don't over-tighten plastic threads. If the armrest binds or clips won't engage, make sure clip orientation is correct and gently clean mating surfaces. A spray of dielectric lubricant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.